Hello there and welcome to, we've already done this. I need to skip through these, hang on. There we go. Not pug, but bug. I couldn't bear that pug thing. Um, my name's Simeon Brewster and you may know me from my art tutorials. I'm an internationally renowned arter. No one else has that title. Don't listen to anyone else. Well, you can listen to other people if they're speaking to you, other humans. You might have like parents or loved ones. You can speak to them. You can speak to animals. They won't speak back, but they might make noises. And you might need to see a doctor for some gut wrenching medical treatment, and probably listen to them. You can speak to all sorts of people, but don't listen to people who say that they're arters, because they're not. I'm the only arter. There's currently these people who have taken over my former friend Major Robert Ish's account online. He was an arter as well, almost of the same standard as myself, and some people have taken over his account. It seems to have been hacked many times over the years. It's now under the control of some Scouse lunatic and a Nordic gentleman arguing back and forth. Anyway, I've drawn bug here. As you can see, it's a very detailed bug. It's on a leaf. That's what that is. It's not the splatter of like a victim or anything. It's not a shadow of a beast. It's just a bug. Just a bug on a leaf. Princess. So a lot of you might be fans of Disney, with their dancing mouses and stuff. This is a young girl called Isabella Nick who wanted me to draw a princess for her. She's a big fan of the Disney princesses, Mariella Frostrup and the Mermaid, all those different ones, the frozen things. Anyway, so I thought I'd draw a nice Disney castle here. I've been to Disneyland. I wasn't that impressed, to be honest. It seemed like a pitch and putt, really, to be honest. That's all it seemed like. We're just people pushing little golf balls around a tiny little green crazy golf course. And I don't understand why it was called Disneyland, to be honest. I have a feeling that it wasn't Disneyland. It's where my parents took me. But I have a feeling they just actually went round the corner and took us to the crazy golf in the woods. But anyway, I wasn't impressed either way, whether it was Disneyland or not. So I draw the castle here. These bits are the arms of the castle. These bits are the legs. Here we got the eyes of the castle being drawn. And I'll get to the mouth, but I've got to add all these crosses on to ward off the beast. The more crosses you have, the more beastly behaviour you can ward off. I don't want to be followed by these beasts anymore. I don't want them to get me. I'm safe anyway. Well, I've got crucifixes everywhere. I've got holy water. I've got some silver bullets. I've got some garlic. I've got strings of garlic all over the place. The stench is quite unbearable, but the beast won't get me, you see. What I've done is I've barricaded my front door with some 2x4s, and I now have to climb out my bathroom window when I need to go out to the shops. And it's not often anyway because of COVID, because I've had a terrible case of COVID a number of times now. I'm not allowed to go out anyway, so I have to have some kestrels bring me food. Luckily I've trained some that live up in the belfry behind my house, and they bring me their like droppings and things. Not droppings. Don't be thinking that's foul. Droppings of food that they've dropped. They bring me those. And they drop them through my bathroom window, and oh, sorry. There's the princess. Anyway, there you go. That's for Isabella. I think I'm going to stop this.